Hey everybody, welcome to Dust to Dust, and we're back out here at the sawmill. Was it March 4th? Yeah. March 4th, it's like 40 degrees. Spring's coming, we're getting excited, so we thought we'd get back out here and saw up a couple more logs. I guess first today we need to switch the blade out though first, and then go pick ourselves out a nice smaller log, lodgepole log. We're just going to cut some more boards for the shed here. So let's get this blade switched out and get to ripping. Well, the tarp didn't survive, but the sawmill did. This thing. Good grief. Well, she's not too bad. She fared pretty good over the winter, I guess. That's windshield washer fluid. I put that in there because it doesn't freeze like below -20 or whatever. Looks like I need to get some more, so I'll get that. Oh yeah, crap dang it. Yeah, okay. What do they call that? Maintenance, preventative maintenance, PM. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's get ourselves a brand new blade. All right, give you a little sneak peek to the internals here. I'm sure you guys have all seen them. Anyways, we're just gonna switch this blade out, loosen up the tension, which we already did. Isn't that a miracle? Make sure that doesn't pop out and just stab you right in the hand. As Austin already did. I think the top comes out easier when you do the top first, huh? Because now it's all stuck. Where's the circus music? There it is. All right. That's what I said. There we go. There's the dull one. I mean, this thing is... We hit her good. This one was way dull. Okay. I just try to do them simultaneously, as they say. Okay. The top part needs to come out just a little bit. You want them teeth to be right on the edge of the wheel there, kind of about like that. So we can go ahead and start doing the tension. It's like you got to be a mechanic to do this. You got to get down on the ground, roll around. You get all dusty, you go home, your wife gets mad. Well, whatever. Okay. Yeah. All right, there we go. Okay. Okay, we got a number of boards cut, so go over here and count them. Let's see here. Oh, 11 or 12. So we're gonna go find some screws and start putting up some boards and just see how far we can get today. If it's like a loose glove, it'll work. It'll be fine. Yep. Oh, that's beautiful. Some shadows down there. Yeah, they won't be able to see that. That's fine. Okay, well, the wall's coming together. We got those boards up. Looking pretty nice. Let's see. Next time we come out, we'll cut some more of them little battens to go in between there. I don't even know if we showed you last time. I can't remember. I don't think we did. We came back and put some battens in between there, and I think it looks all right. It's a little wonky, but that's how we like it, so it looks all right. We're gonna do that same thing over here. Maybe next week or something, but we'll keep cutting some boards and throw some more up, and let's see what happens. Okay, well, we got our next victim loaded up here, and Austin's locking her down in place. She's a little bigger than the other ones, so I'm expecting we'll get a little more coverage out of this one, hopefully. This one tree might take us quite a ways over there. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, we got that log cut up, and we decided that they look so good there, we might just go glue them back together, make a super log. Yeah, that's a bad idea. All right, we're gonna screw these ones up, see how far we get, and looks like my battery's running low, so we're gonna try to hurry along and see if we can't close this out. Awesome. Well, let's take a peek inside here and see what she looks like. Looking pretty good. Well, thanks for coming along with us today and hanging out with us, and hope you enjoyed it. And like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.